the wheeler. It is not okay. Oh my. Whoa. Hey, welcome back. Start of a new week. We have got the wheeler. This is something that needs to be done. So many of you here know that. If you're new here, my name's Justin. I redid this tank. It's got the grommets on it. Like I said, you've got your decals right here. Honda. What do you notice about this decal? It is not okay. I got some red coal fuel tank liner on it, and that's because it's got red tank fuel liner inside of it. And this stuff's good. It looks wet. It's not. It's still got a little feel there on the bottom. I redid the tank, and as I redid the tank, I sanded it down. Sanded it down with, I think I used, I might have used 80 grit on some parts of it. I don't know for sure. Certainly I used 240 or 220. I don't know. Anyways, I don't think I was very aggressive on it. But right down here we had 2 pinhole leaks, started leaking, and it's leaking on the other side of this too. That's all sealed up now. So we need to do a little bit of body work on this. First we got to take those decals off. So we're going to do that today. It's not a day where I'm feeling a whole lot of motivation. This is sitting in here. It's good. We got a new fuel petcock that came in. And we got some wiring issues that we need to resolve. Got to align those rear tire nubs. They're just a little off. On days where we just had church, I'm kind of tired, looking to just be lazy. I gotta get up and just keep moving, so we're gonna do this right now. The Harbor Freight heat gun, it busted, so we're using this bad boy. Got this on standby just in case we need to roll it off of there with the eraser, but I hope we don't have to do that. I want to do 400 grit on almost this entire tank with exception over here, and we'll show you that as we do it. Don't mind the heater. I don't think these like to be taken off with heat, honestly. I didn't use heat over here, came off. I use heat from this side. I got a whole bunch that needs to be erased. All right, let's give this side a go. This was not heated up. Let's see what happens. This paint is a Rust-Oleum Farm & Tractor paint. I think it's Cardinal Red, or maybe it's, what is it? It's Ford Red, actually. So that's kind of neat. It was close enough match. Looks good. Sunset Red or Cardinal Red. There's some Rust-Oleum paint out there on just Big Reds or BigRedsOnly.com, something like that. But we're not going to worry about that. That paint doesn't hold up to gasoline. Yeah, it's coming off, but not the best. We're just going to yank on it. And we don't have all day. This is the side we didn't use heat. This is the side that we used heat. They turned out the same. We don't have all day for this, so let's just pull the band-aid off already. It's painful to do this. It is what it is. Did I say that already? Got the old Milwaukee drill. This battery is broken in half pretty much. Fully charged, doesn't work very good though. You can get these at O'Reilly Auto Parts, Advance, Napa, all that type of stuff. It's just an eraser. It's just an eraser. There you go. I'm going to speed this up probably, or just start on it. We'll pick up when I'm done. You don't have to go high RPM with this, especially if you don't have a tough sticker that's giving you fits. My battery's almost dead already. I've been using it for about 30 seconds. So this is what it looks like on the first pass. These lines right here are where the adhesive is hanging on. Man, this stuff is goofy. It's tough, actually. So I'm going to keep working on it until it's all just dust. Simpa Green take this off? Maybe. Oh yeah. Nope. It's not. At least we're making the tank all degreased. At least it lets you show silly stuff. We just need to get that adhesive to deteriorate. What about glass cleaner? How good is the spray away? Spray away works a little better. Not taking it off yet, really though. I mean, a little bit, but not enough. Come on. No red comes off. This paint really hardens up nicely if you use the magic hardener. It's good. Alright, well, I figured it out. So acetone gets it off. I just get this from the local hardware store. Got mousse from our dog breeder. Different places, same outcome. Well, different, opposite outcomes. This helps clean, and you, mousse, make messes. It's a true story. Look at that. It's all off of there. Looks good. Now, let's do the same thing with this. I won't even use the eraser. We'll try to just clean this with the acetone. It's sticky. Oh my. We're finding all kinds of combinations here to help do stuff. Oh, that sounds good. Old drill. Gotta be an easier way. Maybe I just gotta douse this thing. I'm not sure. Whoa! Look at that thing. It's just making a mess wherever it goes. Give it the beans. How's that? Goo gone? It's not working. You're not helping, eraser. You help with the decal, but not with the adhesive. You're a partial helper. What do we got? We got all this stuff over here. Nothing? Brake clean? Moose hates this stuff. But here it is in all its glory. I was just gonna mix this up. Let's get right into it. I can't believe that you would stop us right in the middle of the video. We're just about to the painting. All right. We were just getting into the good stuff. But in the next video, we're gonna go ahead and see the process of painting the tank. It's sitting right over here, actually. I'm glad you're here. It's gonna be a shorter video today, going for about 10 minutes. Don't wanna keep you guys too long. But painting coming up, and then we're gonna put stickers on this thing, and then we're gonna put it on the wheeler. There's not much left. Thank you guys for sticking around. Moose, are you hungry, buddy? You got a little snow. We'll see you guys very soon. Much appreciation. Bye-bye.